Hi, welcome back to Repair Lawnmowers for Profit. I've got a guy coming to pick this up in a minute. As you can see, I've just been cutting my grass with it actually, just to test it, and it starts and runs great. And this should be sold now. I've sold this for £70, so I'm just waiting. I'm just looking down this little gap in my fence here, waiting for someone to back in the drive. So I just wanted to show you something on my phone actually. If you look on here, I put this on yesterday. I listed this yesterday. Within a few minutes I already had someone. I said, is this still available? I said, yeah, it's 5 minutes ago. But look at the amount of messages I've had from it today. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I don't know, 8, something like 8 people ask if it's available for £70. So I'm not struggling to sell these. People are queuing up now to buy these mowers. And hopefully this guy's going to bring me some cash tonight. I've told him it's £70, I'm not taking any less. And if he wants to barter with me, I'll just show him my phone and say. So just as I was filming that last clip, this guy's actually turned up and given me £70 cash. That can go in my pocket, and I'll look to invest that into another mower right at the beginning of this mower season now, and all this money can get reinvested. That's a great mower gone. He actually said, I actually asked him if he had a lot of grass. It didn't have a drive on it, and he said he just ruins them because he actually cuts the grass at graveyards. So you could say it's gone to a better place, I suppose, but £70 there. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I can't even make it up. I'd imagine between £20 and £30, but I know I got one of these in my garage for free, so either way, probably £30–40 profit there. Another one gone, money to reinvest. I'd just like to do these updates now on the profit and the sale. This guy came in my garden. He was virtually here 30 seconds. I started it up, yeah, passed me the money. And I lifted it into his car with him. Some people who come on and look at it for 20 minutes, but basically I've got people queuing up to buy these mowers now. So if you've got some in storage and you've been doing this over the winters, I know a lot of you have. I've had loads of messages about people who are ready to go. Now is the time to start selling. Get them on this week. The weather's going to pick up. And don't underprice them either. I've had loads of messages about that. I could maybe have got a little bit more, so don't be shy to start it quite high up. You'll be surprised what people will pay for something that they see or they perceive to be an expensive lawnmower. If it has Mountfield on and things like that, or Briggs and Stratton, people are looking for those, so don't underprice these mowers. Leave them on even if they're on for a week. You'll need one good buyer. So once again, thanks for watching. Stay subscribed, or click like. And share these videos about, and let's get started doing these for profit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again shortly.